Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on Crypto.com. First, you'll need to set up and verify your account, which involves providing some personal information for security. Once your account is active, link a payment method like a bank account or debit card. This step is crucial for funding your purchases. Make sure your identity is fully confirmed to avoid any transaction delays or limits. After setting up your account, the next step is to fund it. You can deposit money using various methods, such as a bank transfer or by linking a debit card. Be aware that different deposit methods may have varying fees and processing times. Always check the daily and monthly deposit limits within the app to ensure your transactions go smoothly. With funds in your account, you're ready to make your first purchase. Simply navigate to the Buy section within the Crypto.com app. Here, you can select from a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Choose your desired asset and the amount you wish to buy. Before finalizing, carefully review all transaction details, including any associated fees, then confirm your purchase. Once you own crypto, you can explore options like staking or earning interest on your assets to potentially grow your holdings. Always prioritize security by enabling two-factor authentication and using a strong, unique password for your account. Regularly review your transaction history and be cautious of phishing attempts. And hey, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check the description below for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.